back to Black Pill, your go-to channel for exploring the wonders of science and nature. I'm Aschal Aswa, and today we are diving into Unit 2 animals from our grade 11 biology curriculum. We are going to explore animal characteristics, their classification, different modes of reproduction, and even the economic importance of insects. So let's jump right in. In this unit, we will explore the amazing diversity of animals, whether they are wild, domestic, or even those living in structures. Animals play a huge role in our world. We will look at their defining characteristics, how they reproduce, and how some, like insects, contribute to our economy in ways might not have imagined. By the end of this unit, you will be able to describe what makes an animal. Understand the difference between vertebrates and invertebrates. Compare how different vertebrates reproduce. Evaluate the economic roles of animals, especially insects in agriculture, food, security, industry, health, and medicine. Explain animal behavior and homeostasis, like how they regulate temperature and water. And finally, appreciate the contribution of renowned zoologists from Ethiopia or our local communities. Animals share some basic characteristics. They are made up of eukaryotic cells, which are multicellular, heterotrophic, meaning they cannot make their own food and are highly sensitive to stimuli. They move, breathe, grow, reproduce, and have diverse body symmetries that help them adapt to their environments. Classifying animals, invertebrates versus vertebrates. Let's break down animal classification into two main groups. Here we have invertebrates, don't have a backbone and can be soft-bodied or protected by an exoskeleton like insects and spiders. Vertebrates, on the other hand, have a backbone and complex internal structures like a skull, spine, and specialized organ systems. This includes mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Remember, some vertebrates are warm-blooded, like mammals and birds, while others, like fish and reptiles, are cold-blooded. Next to that, we have reproduction in animals. Reproduction is key to survival of any species. Animal can reproduce in two ways. The first one is asexual reproduction. The second one is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, where only one parent is involved, common among some invertebrates, and sexual reproduction, which involves two parents. Today we will focus more on sexual reproduction and see how it varies among different animal groups. So, sexual reproduction in animals. In sexual reproduction, males produce sperm and female produce eggs. So fertilization can be external, like in many aquatic animals, or internal, which is more common in mammals, birds, and reptiles. After the sperm and egg combine to form a zygote, it undergoes several developmental stages, from cleavage to the blastula and then gastrulation, finally leading to organogenesis, where organs form, and diagrams on your screen illustrate fascinating journeys. Another one is, here we have insect reproduction and metamorphosis. Insects, the most diverse group of animals, usually reproduce sexually, so some can reproduce through parthenogenesis, where offspring develop from unfertilized eggs. They undergo two types of metamorphosis: complete metamorphosis and incomplete. Complete metamorphosis, with stages like egg larva, pupa, and adult, as seen in honeybees and butterflies, and incomplete Metamorphosis, which involves egg, nymph, and adult stages, like in grasshoppers. Isn't it amazing how these teeny creatures transform? Reproduction in frogs. Frogs are another diverse group. Most frogs are uses external fertilization, laying eggs in water where the male fertilizes them, and their eggs are covered in a jelly-like substance to keep them moisty. From these eggs, a tadpole emerges, later transforming into an adult frog. Some species even use internal fertilization, adding another layer of diversity to their reproduction strategies. The other title is reproduction in crocodiles. Crocodiles, those formidable semi-aquatic reptiles, reproduce using internal fertilization. They mate underwater, and after fertilization, the female lays eggs that are hard and leathery, providing extra protection from the developing embryos. And the number of eggs can vary, and you will often see them carefully buried in sand or vegetation. Reproduction in birds. Birds have a unique reproductive process. Although male birds do not have external genital organs, the females have an ovary. Their reproductive system includes a specialized oviduct with sections that help form the egg, like the magnum, istiums, and uterus. So once an egg is formed, it is incubated by the parents, often with the help of a broad patch until the chick hatches. Parental care is vital, with many birds building nests to protect the young one. The other one is reproduction in rats. Moving on to mammals, let's look at rats. Rats are fascinating due to their adaptability. In rats, males and females have distinct reproductive system, and fertilization occurs internally. After a short gestation period, the young are born and quickly nurtured by their mothers. Interestingly, in rat communities, if mother is lost, other females often step in to care for the puppies, showcasing incredible social behavior. The economic importance of animals, which focuses on insects. Insects might seem small, but they have a massive economic impact. In agriculture, they act as pollinators and natural pest controllers, ensuring crop production and healthy ecosystem. In food, edible insects are a sustainable, protein-rich food sources in many cultures around the world. In industry, bees produce honey and wax. Silkworms produce silk, and other insects contribute to the production of shellac, cochineal pigments, and tannic acids, which are used in everything from dyes to inks. In health and medicine, insect products like bee venom have been used to treat various ailments, while compounds from blister beetles are researched for potential cancer treatments. Here we have a unique summary reflection, which is to wrap it up. Animals, though sharing some basic characteristics, exhibit a wide range of structures and behaviors. We have seen the difference between invertebrates and vertebrates, along with diverse reproductive strategies, from metamorphosis in insects to complex parental care in birds and mammals. And we have learned that insects, despite their size, are essential to our economy and health. Think about how studying these creatures not only enriches our understanding of nature, but also strengthens our connection to the world around us. That's a wrap for today's dive into the animal kingdom. I hope you enjoy learning about the fascinating world of animals as much as I did. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Blackbeard for more insightful, successful content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which animal fact surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thank you. Bye.